My wife and I love trains. And when we travel overseas, even if it's the least convenient way of getting from one point to another, we'll frequently take the train. And you'd have to say, and to be fair, the train between Sydney and Canberra is pretty slow. It's about 6 hours. I think it's about 3 hours by road. So it's a very slow route. But there is a train service every day between Sydney and Canberra. And if you enjoy train travel, especially slow train travel, that's actually an option. And there's many people that love traveling by train.